Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices, charge them and keep them near each other. Once done, enable Bluetooth and location on your phone because the app uses both to detect the watch. You install and open the manufacturer's watch app, then tap the pairing or add device button. Make sure to grant requested permissions. Without them, the app cannot scan. You should see the watch appear in the app's device list within a few seconds. Tap it to start the handshake. You now handle the detailed exchange. When the watch appears, select its name and compare the on-screen code, or PIN. This prevents cross-bearing. After confirming, allow the app to request notification and contact access so alerts and calls reach the watch. If the watch asks to connect to Wi-Fi, accept to speed app updates. Next, sign into the account the app uses. This syncs health and settings. Once syncing begins, monitor progress until the app reports completion. You finish by validating core functions. Check that time matches, notifications arrive, and activity data updates. Make adjustments in the app and the phone's Bluetooth/notification settings to fine-tune what the watch receives. If an app update is available, install it to avoid compatibility issues. If pairing fails, restart both devices, forget the device in Bluetooth settings, then repeat the pairing steps. This resets stale connections. If problems persist, try a factory reset on the watch as a last resort and repeat pairing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.